Okay, now here we are coming at this is called the windshield washer and the wiper rod, as I would like to call it, and I understand in the layman's term. This is the area where I found a little bit of problem, and I thought that they could have done a better job giving the affordances. So these parts, these signals are pretty much clear of INT low and high. Though high, it's difficult to read, especially for a driver like me is of low height. Apart from this, the problematic thing is that there is a thumb place here. So what I tend to do is I tend to push it back like this, if you can see my gesture, and actually doesn't do anything. The system it works is if I push it up like this, the wiper goes up, if you can see. So if I push it up like this, the wiper will go up like this. So I felt that they could have given a clear affordance instead of here, if they give a feeling here, because when I'm driving I tend to actually put my finger like this, so it's very easy for me and I can just pull it up and see the wipers coming up. So similarly, one of the function for the lever is also when I push it towards me. So if I push it towards me, it sprays some water and the wiper starts, and then I can just release the lever and the wiper would stop. So I felt that a thing like this could have been actually given here and one here to indicate the movement of my fingers the way it should be, and that would have done all the job. These are pretty much simple, as soon as I switch on the wiper, I can actually simply adjust the knob like this, and it's simple. They have given the word adjustment here. For the rain, they give you that if it's raining heavy, then you should actually at regular intervals do this. So which is pretty clear that at regular intervals, which is INT, set to this for raining, for normal continuous raining. Then these are the adjustments. So these things are pretty much clear. So that's my feedback on this.